시스템으로 돌리는 중과 personal trainer will 조심하면서 don't give you a few tips to help you get better to play full 2 minutes. So, my love for you is higher than your mother.
Hey, I'm not loving you. So why don't you ruin my time for? You're not my friend.
Australia for talking. Wait. If you want to do some Zumba tomorrow, all of you.
Welcome to Island Time. Can you say welcome to Island Time?
Welcome to Island Time.
Okay, Island Time is a local show here in Utah, and we want to feature this wonderful, wonderful group from New Zealand. Where are you actually from?
We're all from Auckland, South Auckland in New Zealand. Manurewa, Mount Ruskell, Otahu, Otara, and Mangere.
Okay, can you introduce yourself so that we know who you are?
My name is Tawai Fa'asavalu.
Felix Paiu,
Chris Fa'asavalu.
Miki Teo,
Ngalu Malala.
and Otto Mateo.
Okay, thank you. We're really excited about having you here in Utah, and we hope to see you again. You can see our crowd loves it over here. How do you like Utah so far?
To be honest, first and foremost, I want to give thanks to the man upstairs. Without him, we wouldn't be here and we wouldn't have this talent. So thank you to the man upstairs, and it's been a privilege and an honor to see our fans in Utah, and we just love it. Thank you so much.
Are you planning to come back?
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
We'd love to come back.
Love to come back. Maybe do a tour around,
Okay. Well, thank you very much. I think we're going to have our interview on Facebook, also on YouTube. Albert Ainu, our cameraman, also my assistant in producing the show. We produce the show here in Utah. So thank you very much, and we hope that you can get on Comcast or in New Zealand, get on Facebook, and get on YouTube and see our interview here today. Okay. So when are you going back, boys?
Sunday morning.
Okay. Well, we're gonna miss you.
Boys, thank you, Whawhitai Lava Island Time from Delicious. Yeah, Whawhitai Lava Island Time from Delicious.
Okay, there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Delicious, all the way from Auckland, New Zealand. Mahalo and aloha to all of you. Whawhitai te lava.
Talofa lava, autalavo mo taiao. We are delicious. All the way from New Zealand, Aotearoa, South Auckland. And we just want to say thank you to the man upstairs for blessing us with this opportunity to come here to Utah and show our talents and our gifts to you guys.
Please identify each person and which village in Samoa they're from.
My name is Tawai Fa'asavalu. The villages, my mom is Saamaka. Oh, my mom is Sakapuala, and my dad is Mata Utah.
Talofa lava, my name is Christmas Fa'asavalu, and I'm also from Sakapuala and Samaka Yuka. Hello, my name is Maki Teo. My village is from is Waivase, Lauli'i, and Samakau. Yeah.
Hello, I'm Phoenix Paiu. The villages I'm from, Wainganga and Siuwhanga.
Talofa lava, my name's Otto Mateo. My dad's from Apia, Whangaloa in Longa, and my mum is from Whalilima and Asau.
Talofa lava, lo ingo o ngalu malala, ke sau mai pangpango. Yep, tight.
How did you guys get invited to this event? How did you get here in Utah?
Thank you for the question. I think it was our manager and was speaking to one of the organizers here, Junior, and they've been emailing and Facebooking back and forth to try and sort out a plan for us to come to Utah, and God willing, it happened, and we're here now. So we just want to thank you to the man upstairs.
Have you guys done a lot of performances around the world, or is this one of the first?
This is our first time here in America, and it's a privilege to be here because our fan base here is really good, way better than the other ones. Like we go to Australia and Samoa. Like we've got fans there, but the fan base here is really strong, and we love it, and we enjoy everyone's support and love. So it's delicious.
Are you surprised at how much support you guys have?
Yeah.
Yep, big time.
Heaps of it.
We weren't expecting this, but yeah.
That's really encouraging because you guys pretty much everything was via YouTube, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
So who came up with the idea? How did you guys come together?
I think it all started with a group that me and Otto Mateo used to be in. We used to be in a group called 685, and we did the similar dancing to this style. And I left that group, and me and Manfred Petaya, who was our manager, we sat down and we had a talk, and we said, you know, why don't we form a group ourselves? And we got also Dennis, who was from a hip-hop background. He used to dance in a group called Boom Shakalaka. They came first in Strictly Brown back in New Zealand, and also Makiteo as well. But yeah, we just picked up everyone, and also kind of came with me, and I got my little brother in there. And shout out to our members back at home, Donny Ngawan and Paloma Komiti Josefa, and also our DJ Mafiuso and Ukae.
Awesome. And so, what is your purpose? I mean, do you guys have a goal in mind, or are you just doing this for fun?
Most probably, I think everyone here that's in the group has a real passion for dance, and look where we are now. We're here in Utah. We didn't really think we'll cross the ditch to be here, and I think our main purpose is just to entertain, and also just to show our culture, where we're from, and how much we're proud of it, just to showcase it, and also just to put smiles on the people's faces if they're having a hard time at home. You know, always go on YouTube, look us up, put a smile. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, is comedy something you guys intended, or is that just something that you have?
Well, pretty much we just do like hip hop dance moves to island music, and then like in between those genres we just added in a few comedies here and there. But then yeah, it's all just a whole bunch of mixtures of comedy and island dancing and hip hop dancing and a whole lot of comedy.
Yeah, well, I want to congratulate you guys. You guys are kind of like brought together the old school Samoan style, hip hop, R&B, whatever people like. You guys have sort of been able to put it all together. And congratulations. I mean, that's a great.
Thank you so much. Just to alliterate on what you said is, one of our mottos on our group is to satisfy all taste buds, and that's why we try and go to the Indian. We try and go to different kind of genres to implicate that we can satisfy everyone's taste buds, not just Samoan, not just Tonga, Fiji, everyone, and we're still learning as well. We're not perfect yet, we're far from perfect. But the thing is that we have the passion for dance so much that we want to go places and inspire kids, and the more kids dancing on the stage and off the streets is better for us, and better for the world.
Who does your music?
Pretty much me, my brother and myself. We mix up the music. We get some we get some tracks from our DJ Mafiuso, but my brother here is the main mixer. He mixes all the tracks, and if he's tired, then I'll have a mix. And if both of us are tired, then our manager will have a go at it as well. Our manager, Manfred.
Sorry.
Very humble.
Oh, he's too humble. He needs to, get out there and get us some gigs in China.
Another last question. I mean, where do you guys see yourselves going in the future? I mean, is this just for the Samoan community, or are you trying to get into, anything else?
I'll let many answer that, because yeah.
I think for us, from where we started to where we are now, we just want to travel the world. I mean, just to get to Utah, like the boys said, it's been an awesome experience. We just want to showcase our talents, the boys' talents, to the rest of the world. Whether it takes us, I guess this is the first step to get into America, and and we've had a lot of people talk to us about getting us to other places and touring. So I guess for me and the boys, this is exciting times. It's only just the beginning, really, and hopefully we can get to satisfy everybody's taste buds.
I definitely want to see you guys in Vegas. All right. So,
Thank you
very much. Appreciate you guys' time.
Thank you.
Congratulations. And
Faftai lava. God bless.